everyone, my name's Maddie Weiner. I'm editor of Tire Review. Today we're at the 2023 K&M Tire Dealer Conference and Trade Show in Las Vegas, Nevada. And I'm pleased to be joined by Nate Benham, owner of Sparta Tire in Sparta, Michigan. Nate, thanks so much for being with us today.
You bet. Thanks for asking.
So Nate, I want to get into your business and understand a little bit more about where you come from. And I know we were talking and you're a third generation tire dealer. So My first question is, tell us how you got started in the industry, but it seems like you just kind of were born into it. Is that right?
A little bit, but not intending to really be in it. So that story is that, my dad's like, go do something else and, find something you enjoy. This shouldn't be it. And instead, I ended up kind of coming back around and saying, hey, let's give it a go. So that was a little over 20 years ago. So it stuck. So that's where we are.
Very cool. Well, tell me a little bit about the business's history. And
So in 1952, my grandpa opened up a city services gas station in town, and we've been in town ever since. We moved a couple times buildings, but we've been in our current spot a little over 30 years. And this past summer, it was 70 years that we've been in business in Sparta.
Wow, congratulations.
Thank
That's a
you.
huge milestone.
We've been blessed to have a great customer base all that time and lots of third and a few even fourth generation customers. So, yeah.
Very cool, very cool. Now, tell me about your space and sort of the work that you guys do there.
So we're full service automotive, which is really our focus. We also are a tire dealer, but we've got 7 service bays and basically like 3.5 technicians, and we do everything from engines to tires and everything in between, except for diesel work. We don't do diesel work, but yeah, we're full service, so we try and hit all those marks and keep everybody coming back to us.
Very cool. And do you do strictly passenger tires or commercial, OTR?
Passenger and light truck, and that's it. No agricultural, none of the big over-the-road stuff. We don't mess with that. We let somebody else do that.
Got it. Very cool. Well, you guys have a storied history, so that's great. Tell me one way your business gives back to the community.
Really in sponsorships. We try and sponsor all kinds of neat activities, whether it be things with the schools, with sports, downtown activities. Our town has a ton of great kind of chamber of commerce and events and things that go on down there, and we participate with that as often as we can and to whatever level that we can to help make that happen and help bolster our community. Is a great place to be.
Very cool. And you said sports teams as well, is that right?
Well, like the school sports stuff. Like lots of times school sports will have teams that have sponsors and things like that we'll participate with also.
Very cool. Okay, awesome. Well, Nate, last question here for you. I know you have a pretty long relationship with K&M, Sparta Tire and Automotive does. So tell us about your relationship with K&M and what makes them a good partner to have in the tire business.
Well, K&M's been great to us over the years. They've got a broad range of brands of tires that are available. That's one of the big things that helps us is when we have somebody coming looking for something, we highly likely can buy it from them. They're real supportive of us there. The Mr. Tire program's been fantastic with lots of different promotions and things like that, so we appreciate that in the way in which they can tie that in with different programs we're participating with our tire purchasing. So that and the people, we've got a lot of relationships with people that we've had over the last 15 years that we've been a customer of theirs, and we enjoy that, and that's important to us too.
For sure.
Yeah, they take good care of us.
Well, Nate, thanks again for your time today. We really appreciate it. And for those that are interested, K&M Tire has their Top Shop nominations open right now. You can go to MrTireTopShop.com to learn more.